So, okay, so we imported the MDD from LightWave. So these are the particles, and what we'll do is simply add a mesh. So say a cube, for example. I don't know. Anyway, 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. And so click this one to get that one out. Anyway, so we'll activate or highlight this one and shift click, or rather in this case control click on this one and control P to parent that. We're going to parent it to the object, so just hit like enter, and there it is. And here we got instancing, and we got vertices. So I'll click on that, and yeah, that's that really. That's how you add instanced boxes to the MDD particle animation. So follow the previous video if you're curious on how to make that work.